Are you feeling it?
I think I feel what it's supposed to feel like. Okay, I walk to that door and I walk back.
Okay, good.
Okay.
And after that, we have to take a break. Okay, because we've been standing for so long.
Katie, he says something about he thinks he feels the pelvic now.
Is this it?
He says something about he thinks he feels the pelvic.
Everyone's the same grade. Been standing for the
So
longest
what did Sophia do to get you to do that?
I don't know. I started walking back to the chair and
You're,
it didn't feel like I was kicking the.
yeah, you weren't. So you're getting it. Now walk back to your room. Go.
Okay.
I'm gonna